G'day pressure washing, pressure cleaning fraternity. I wanted to go over an additional installation to a market leading business here in Melbourne, Victoria, and at these greenworkspressurewash.com.au. So it's Greenworks pressure cleaning and soft washing. So get in touch if you need a remarkable business to provide you a service. But let's talk soft wash. Let's go over an installation in a current setup of a vehicle where they'd like to add an additional service or some additional muscle power to your current soft washing and pressure cleaning business. So what we've installed here is a Midwest proportioning system, and it is an XXL. So we're running 1-inch valves on this particular proportioning system with a single soap. So there's many variations and combinations of injection systems from Midwest, who are a market leader, and you can see all this information at bluetongueindustries.com.au. We have a 50-metre hose reel, purpose-built hose here in Australia, and we're working pressures at 350 psi, and will handle some of the petrol powered units. But on this particular 1-inch proportioning system, we have a 24 volt EverFlo pump. And we're going to do some functional demonstrations to give you some projected throws on this 24 volt pump. The customer had particular requirements, being very well educated or an established business in the soft washing industry, and the 1-inch valves allow maximum flow. We've installed a flush valve. So the flush valve will allow, without changing hoses or connections, an easy flush of the chemical valve and the soft wash pump. Being a 24 volt system, we've tucked in two 120 amp hour batteries around the back of the pressure cleaner, which you might be able to see or might not. We've also installed on the wall there a 24 volt waterproof charger to keep those two batteries charged. So it's an independent system that's mounted in on an existing pressure cleaning soft washing trailer to give a bit more muscle power and a bit more grunt. So the proportioner itself has 3 valves. It has a water in. So this water in, we're able to control the amount of water coming directly from the 200 litre water tank. We have a single soap valve, which is taking soap from our 25 litre soap tank, which we've installed down the back, and we have our chemical SH valve. So all these valves have graduations where we can dial up a percentage mixture or an indication from 1 to 6. Integrated into the proportioner is the flush valve. So the flush valve is a 3-way valve with an inlet into the chemical valve itself. We have water and we have bleach. So injecting water or bleach into the chemical valve plus water will allow us to flush the system. So let's take a look. I just wanted to run you through. So with our 5/8 hose, and I just wanted to show you how this proportioning system is set up. So at the moment the valves are fully open. If I turned our bleach and soap off, I'm squirting straight water through this 24 volt pump. But what I can do on this proportioner as well is turn the water off and open up our bleach to maximum. And take a look at the flow there. So if we're doing some pretty serious cleaning, what are we pulling there with our water shut and our single 1-inch chem valve open? I'll let you answer that. So we can, in a normal configuration, our water valve will be fully open and our chem valve will be dialed up to inject the required amount of SH, and our soap valve will be open as well to inject the required amount of soap or surfactant in our cleaning regime system. You can see all these parts, as I mentioned before, on bluetongueindustries.com.au, but we also have turnkey packages where drop in, drop out skids, or we can accompany custom systems like this to suit you. Let's take a look. 24 volt, just up over 9 metre. From a distance shot, quite substantial with this high flow gun. So as I mentioned before, any information you can get us on the web at bluetongueindustries.com.au. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.